Good afternoon, folks. This is Rex Hardin, Pompano Beach Mayor. It is Tuesday, May the 12th, and this is my update about what's going on with the COVID-19 here in Pompano Beach and also in Broward County. Let's start with some good news. This past Thursday, we had another great feeding event out at the Isle Casino in partnership with the Feeding South Florida folks, the New Hope Brazilian Church, the Kiwanis Club of Pompano Beach, other civic and religious organizations, along with, of course, the city of Pompano Beach. We passed out over 3,200 boxes of food to our residents. That's a tremendous help to folks who really need it. We hope to continue this every other week on Thursdays. So please get out there and tell your neighbors and your friends about it, and we'll continue that as long as we can. Now, moving on to a little news announcement for our State Senator Perry Thurston. He is going to be holding a town hall meeting, a virtual town hall meeting, this coming Thursday on Facebook. It'll be a Facebook live type event with Senator Perry Thurston and also our Broward County School Superintendent, Robert Runcie. This starts at 7:15, so you'll be able to ask questions and get an update about what's going on with the schools currently and also going forward. So we'll find out how the schools are going to be handling things in the future with this COVID-19. So I'll put that out there on Facebook on my page so you can click on it and go directly there. Now, a quick announcement about a program the city of Pompano Beach just rolled out, just started yesterday. It's an emergency rental assistance program. We got some federal funding so that we can actually use these funds to help Pompano Beach residents stay in their apartments or their homes. So if you're having trouble paying your rent because of COVID-19, go to the city's website, go to the Office of Housing and Urban Improvement. There's an application and there's some other information that you have to give, but it's a first come, first serve, and there's not unlimited funding. So please go there, fill it out, get in line to get this needed assistance. So it's Emergency Rental Assistance Program done by the city of Pompano Beach, the Office of Housing and Urban Improvement. Now let's move on to the beaches. I had been hopeful that we would be able to open the beaches by now, at least for passive recreation use. There was a mayor's conference call last night, which was called by Broward County Mayor Holness, where 28 of the 31 mayors were on the call, which I was there also, of course. And I made a pitch that I think that Broward County should allow us to open our beaches. And because Broward County, it's the executive order from the Broward County that has our beaches closed. Well, it wasn't to be, at least not last night. But there are other coastal mayors, Hollywood, Fort Lauderdale, Deerfield Beach. There are other coastal mayors who would like to see the beach opened also. So what we have happening is another call tomorrow with addressing only beaches, and the focus is going to be beaches, and we're going to have, it's hosted by Broward County Mayor Holness, and yes, we're going to talk about how we can open our beaches and when. We are hopeful that we will be able to open our beaches for passive recreational use, for walking, jogging, swimming, go out there paddleboarding, diving, things of that nature. No large crowds. There's not going to be any sunbathing. No beach towels. No beach chairs. No umbrellas. No coolers. No sitting on the sand. Even you've got to keep moving. But we're hopeful that this will be the beginning stages of opening our cities back up. In conjunction with the beaches, the focus has been on opening up our businesses. Now, May 18th is when we are shooting to have our businesses modified phase 1 reopening. So this is controlled by the governor, but we believe the governor will allow us to do this on May 18th. Some openings, okay, we're talking about probably 25% capacity of our restaurants, but we'll allow outdoor seating for restaurants. So the city of Pompano Beach, of course, we're going to do everything we can to make sure that these restaurants, they can use the parking lots, they can use the sidewalks, whatever needs to happen so that we can get people back to work and back making money so we can get this economy working again. So look for those modified phase 1 opening on Monday, May the 18th. And like I said, I'm very hopeful that we'll be able to convince the county to also open our beaches on Monday, May the 18th. That would be a tremendous help for all of the coastal communities. So I'll let you know more as that develops from the county. It will be an ongoing process this week. So we'll know more as this week goes forward. Finally, I just want to touch briefly again on the 2020 census. It is vitally important that we all get counted. So if you haven't yet filled out your census form, please go online Take care of it that way. It's simple, it's easy. This only happens once every 10 years, okay? And we all need to get counted because it's going to count for 10 years. And you don't want those federal funds that get allocated by census numbers to go to some other community. So if you don't get counted, some other community is going to get the dollars that should be coming here. Now, finally, I want to touch on the health and safety of all of us. We have done a great job. You have done a great job. The residents, the businesses, business owners, you have all done a great job of flattening the curve, of beating back this COVID-19 virus, but we haven't beaten it. It's still here. We're living with it daily. People are still getting sick. People are still dying. And it's more important than ever that we not let our guard down. Things like this, your mask, I don't care if it's a mask like this or if it's a simple t-shirt that you put across your face. Those are important, that and the social distancing. Look, we have worked hard to get where we're at, so we're able to start this opening process. But it's very important that we not let our guard down. We have not won this battle. We've gotten things stabilized now. We need to keep working at it so we can beat this virus back until we can get a vaccine and really kick it for good. But I know there's people out there who say, I'm not going to wear a mask because I'm not sick. Well, I'll tell you what, you could be a carrier. And the life you saved could be the person who you were going to give it to. But because you wore your mask in public, that didn't happen. So please, be vigilant, stay safe. So once again, thank you all for what you are doing. I know it's difficult out there. It's terribly hard economically and everything else. But we've done a great job. You've done a great job. And I can't thank you enough. So please, God bless. I'll see you soon. Stay safe out there.